In this video, I want to solve another problem, which is string comparison. It means in this program, I just take two string from the users, one after another, and it just compare this, whether this string is compared, means this string are same or not, okay, or equal or not. Let's see this. When I say string, I've already included this. So now I just want to start the code. I want to have integer like I want to initialize this with 0, and let's have a character str 500. It means maximum 500 it can take. Again str2, for example, 100. It must, both of them must be same. I think it's better. So let's have a printf statement here. Enter, I would just say enter first string. The user must enter first string, and just take this gets str. Okay, and now while I have gotten list and declared to string2 and flag variable with integer data type, and I've initialized it with 0, and now I've taken this from the user, enter first string, and now it has gotten, this is a function or a method. Now let's take the second one. Enter second. When I say enter second string, it means this is the second string which it will compare. The same method I will use here. Here's str2. You know this str. When I import this or I include this string, so it is a library, so it automatically will be accessed. We can access this. So let's initialize this flag once again, STRCMP. So this is another method, str1 and str2, which I initialized. So now let's have condition here. I say just f flag equal to 0. If flag is equal to 0, just print for both strings are same, like this. So I want to be out of that curly bracket. So I want to have once again if I use just if flag is equal to -1 or lesser than, I just say -1. So let's see if 1 would not matched, so string 1 we can say string 1 is less than, less than string 2. Okay, so let's have one other if flag is equal to 1. Just run this. So string 1 is greater than string 2. Now this is completed. Just see here, I've used some if conditions, and I've initialized some string, with a character data type. And now just I want to run this. We will see whether that is working or not. We just it has str1, so yes, it has not declared because I have here str. I just want to run this. Yes, it is run. So let's see. Hello. Once again, hello. See, str string1 is less than string2. Now, why? Because string1 does not have O, but string2 has O. So now let's run once again. We just see that whether it works or not. Coding is a thing. Coding is thinking. Both strings are same. You have seen both strings are same.